Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Friday, February 18, 2022. Jamaica, through Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett, has launched World Tourism Resilience Day to be observed annually on February 17. The observance, which is the brainchild of Minister Bartlett, was officially launched on Thursday during Expo 22 Dubai in the United Arab Emirates, UAE. It's part of a thrust to heighten global awareness and actions towards strengthening the industry's capacity to address and recover quickly from crises and shocks such as the COVID-19 pandemic.
We want to focus on capacity building primarily for small, highly tourism-dependent nations that are vulnerable to many disruptions but are weakly resourced to respond effectively to it. Let us use this day to make that statement that the world will now have a chance to predict, mitigate, manage, recover, and recover quickly, and then thrive after disruptions.
The launch took place at the DP World Pavilion. It formed part of the itinerary for Jamaica's delegation, which is participating in the Global Expo from February 16 to 20. The delegation is headed by Foreign Affairs Minister Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith. Meanwhile, the Tourism Product Development Company Limited, TPDCO, will be hosting a series of COVID-19 and vaccination refresher sessions for industry workers. The sessions are being organized as part of efforts to maintain a safe and compliant environment for tourism workers, as well as local and international visitors. They will cover all current COVID-19 protocols and the importance and benefits of getting vaccinated. The first session was held yesterday at the Montego Bay Convention Center, targeting craft traders and contract carriage operators. Negril is next on February 23, when the Parish Health and Education Officer for Westmoreland, Gerald Miller, will address service providers at the Rayon Hotel. On February 25, the team will return to Montego Bay to host a session for accommodations, car rentals, and attractions at the Montego Bay Convention Center. All service providers will be able to join the South Coast sessions on March 3 at Bread's Sports Park Treasure Beach in St. Elizabeth, and on March 8 at the Golf View Hotel in Mandeville. The Ocho-Rios session is scheduled for March 15 at the Anglican Church Hall and March 17 for Portland at Hotel Tim Bamboo. The sessions will conclude on March 31st in Kingston at the Talk of the Town at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. Interested individuals and groups are encouraged to register by calling the Tourism Training Unit at 876-979-7987-8. Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries Pernell Charles Jr. has welcomed agicor's Agroprocessing Loan Facility to help the sector improve efficiency, import substitution, and export expansion. The loan facility was launched on Tuesday. It will provide persons in farming and agro-processing loans of up to $50 million at an interest rate of 6.5% with up to 12 years repayment.
It is for us now as a government to see this as the facilitation of one of our most critical goals. The goal for us to drive production of agriculture and fisheries in our country, to contribute to our national development, to contribute to creating an extended value chain, and we cannot do that alone.
The Agriculture Minister says it is important that lower financing support be provided to farmers and manufacturers so they can invest in priority areas like post-harvest facilities and take advantage of markets where the Jamaican brand is in high demand. He points out that government has embarked on the implementation of its own agribusiness cold chain project. This is going to focus on post-harvest facilities through grant funding of $1.05 million from the governments of Jamaica and Morocco.
We will be establishing across the country several mobile pre-cooling and packing facilities, as well as a network of temperature data loggers in the cold rooms and trucks.
All public transport operators in the island now have access to a retirement savings plan. The pension fund scheme, which was officially launched on Thursday, represents a partnership between the Victoria Mutual Group and the Transport Operators Development Sustainable Services, TODS. Transport and Mining Minister Audley Shaw has welcomed the initiative, which he says reflects the ministry's push for financial education and preparation for Jamaicans.
Public passenger vehicle operators must be given the opportunity to reap the rewards of their hard work in their retirement years. If some operators don't work daily, no money will be earned to feed their families. This is not how we want things to continue. Something must be put aside for rainy days.
The minister made an appeal to all eligible public passenger vehicle PPV operators to join the pension scheme plan. And finally, young people who are wards at the South Camp Juvenile Remand and Correctional Center are to benefit from a donation of tablet computers and headsets. The items, which are valued at over $200,000, have been presented to the Department of Correctional Services, DCS, by the Amber Group. State Minister of National Security Xavier Main received the devices on behalf of the DCS in a ceremony held at the South Camp Juvenile Remand and Correctional Center recently. He says the donation will help to facilitate virtual visitation hours while enabling wards to tap into online counseling sessions that are crucial to their rehabilitation. Founder and CEO of the Amber Group, Dushyant Savadia, says the company is proud to contribute to the rehabilitation of the wards and empower them to take greater responsibility within the society. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.